Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the crab stitch. So this video wasn't going to actually come out until January, but a bunch of you in the members community and over on Instagram during our hashtag 30 days of crochet wanted to know how to do the crab stitch, or the backward single crochet if you don't know what the crab stitch is. So I'm going to show you how to do it. This isn't going to be a super long video. It's a pretty easy stitch to do once you get the hang of it. It is so tricky at first because it's weird crocheting in the wrong direction. So I'm going to grab my hook, grab my yarn, and I'll be with you guys in just a second. Hi friends, when you look in the description below this video, there's going to be a link there that contains free patterns. Make sure you click that, check it out, and I'm so excited to see how you make them. Bye guys. Hi friends, so like I said, today I'm going to show you guys how to do a crab stitch. So normally when we're working on our crochet, we are going back and forth, so we would turn our work over and work this way. To do a crab stitch, now this is like a finishing stitch. I wouldn't use this in anything else. I just use this to finish off pretty much everything. And then you'll see on Friday I have a video, the part 4 of our crochet along coming out. The December crochet along, and that has a crab stitch border. So this is like a little tutorial to show you guys how to do that. I'd asked over in the members community and you guys wanted to know how to do this because you struggle with it. So this is one of my favorite stitches. So we're at the end of our row. We have our chain 1 up, and you're always going to do a chain 1 for a crab stitch. And then I turn my work sideways because it's a little bit easier for me to work with. And you put your hook in the stitch before. So I go into this stitch and I pull up a loop and then I yarn over and pull through. So it's just a backwards single crochet. So we go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and yarn over. We go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through. And it's a backward single crochet. It's just easier for me to turn it sideways. And then I kind of fold it down as I go. And I hold my yarn closer to, like, on my own finger to wherever I want it, because it's easier for me to control it that way. But yeah, it's just a backwards single crochet. And I love this method for blanket borders. I love this for cup cozies, for hats, for all of it. It's one of my favorite stitches. I use it on washcloths and everything. So that is how you do a crab stitch or a backward single crochet. It's called crabs because crabs walk backwards. And we're just crocheting backwards. And then we got to the end, and I'll just finish this off. And we have our crab stitch. So that is how you do it. Like I said, this is a super short tutorial. I just didn't realize a bunch of you guys wanted a tutorial for this one. So I did it, and I hope you guys like it. And if you have any questions, just leave those in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!